Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories channel. This is the place where we make learning English simple, fun, and very useful. I am your host, Leo.
And hello, everyone. I am Anna. I am so happy to be here with you today.
And Anna, you look very happy today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic, Leo. I have my cup of tea, I have my notebook, and I am ready to learn. But to be honest, I am also a little bit tired of the big city noise. Beep, beep, cars everywhere.
I understand, Anna. The city can be loud, but you are in the right place. Today, we are going to relax.
That sounds perfect.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you want to learn English with us every week, please click the subscribe button. It is a small click for you, but a big help for us.
And give us a like if you are ready to start. Let's go. So, Anna, you said you are tired of the city noise, right?
Yes, sometimes I dream about a quiet place, a place with no traffic, no stress, and friendly people.
Well, that is exactly our topic for today. Today, we are going to talk about life in a small town.
Ooh, a small town. I like that idea.
We will talk about the daily routine in a small town. We will compare it to the big city. We will learn new vocabulary about houses, neighbors, and feelings.
This is great for listening practice. I want to know, is life better in a small town?
That's a good question. Let's find out together. Okay, Anna, close your eyes. Imagine you wake up in a small town. What is the first thing you hear?
In the city, I hear buses, vroom vroom. But in a small town, maybe I hear birds.
Exactly. You hear birds singing. You hear the wind in the trees. It is very quiet.
That sounds beautiful. No alarm clock?
Maybe an alarm clock, but you don't need to jump out of bed. In a small town, people do not like to rush.
Rush? What does that mean?
To rush means to hurry, to do things very, very fast because you don't have time. In the city, we rush to the train. We rush to work.
I hate rushing. I always spill my coffee when I rush.
In a small town, the morning is slow. People often sit outside on their porch.
Wait, Leo, what is a porch?
Good word. A porch is a small area outside the front door of a house. It usually has a roof and a floor. People put chairs there.
Ah, I see. So I can sit on my porch, drink my coffee, and watch the sun come up.
Exactly. It is a peaceful start to the day.
Okay, the morning is nice, but people in small towns have jobs, right? They need to go to work.
Yes, they do. But their commute is very different.
Commute. I know this word. It means the travel from your home to your job.
Correct. 10 points for Anna. In the city, how long is your commute?
Oh, it is terrible. Sometimes 1 hour on the bus, or I sit in traffic and get angry.
In a small town, your commute is maybe 5 minutes, or you can walk to work.
Walk to work? Wow, that is good exercise and no stress.
No stress. And after work, you need to buy food. But in a small town, there are no giant shopping malls.
No malls? Where do I buy my bread?
You go to local shops. Local means it belongs to that specific town or area. You go to the local bakery.
Ah, like a small shop owned by a neighbor.
Yes. Let's say the baker's name is Tom. When you walk in, Tom says, "Hello, Anna. Do you want your favorite bread today?"
He knows my name?
Yes. In a small town, everyone knows your name. It is very personal.
That feels special. In the big supermarket, I'm just a stranger. But Leo, is there a bad side, a negative thing?
Well, yes. Small towns are quiet, so the shops close early, maybe at 6 p.m.
What? 6 p.m.? But what if I need chocolate at midnight?
Sorry, Anna, no chocolate at midnight. You must be organized.
Okay, I think I can do that. It's a fair trade for the peace and quiet.
Now, let's talk about the most important part of a small town, the people. We call this the community.
Community. That means the group of people living together in one place, right?
Yes, in a small town, the community is like a big family. Let me tell you a story. Imagine this situation, Anna.
I'm listening.
You are in your kitchen. You're making a cake. You have flour, you have eggs, you have milk. But oh no, you have 0 sugar.
Oh no, a cake without sugar is just bread. That's sad.
In the city, you have to run to the store. But in a small town, what do?
Do I call the police?
No, you don't call the police. You walk to the house next door. You knock on the door. Knock, knock, knock.
And I ask my neighbor?
Yes. You say, "Hello, Mrs. Robinson. Can I please borrow a cup of sugar?"
And what does she say?
She smiles and says, "Of course, Anna. Here you go." Because she knows you. She trusts you.
Trust is important.
It is. In some small towns, people trust their neighbors so much they leave their doors unlocked during the day.
Wow, unlocked doors. That is amazing. They must feel very safe.
They feel safe because the neighbors watch out for each other. They help each other.
I like that. It's better than borrowing sugar. It's about friendship.
Now the day is finished. The sun goes down. In the city, it is always bright. Lights everywhere.
True. Sometimes it is too bright to sleep.
In a small town, it gets dark, real dark, and you can see the stars.
I love the stars.
You sit outside again. The air is cool. We call this fresh air.
Fresh air. That means clean air, right? No pollution from cars.
Exactly. You breathe in deep. It feels good for your health, and you feel cozy.
Cozy. That is my favorite word.
Can you explain cozy to our listeners, Anna?
Sure. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe, like wearing a warm sweater or drinking hot tea under a blanket.
Perfect description. Small towns are very cozy in the evening. But Anna, some people say small towns are boring.
Boring? Why?
Because there are no big clubs, no big cinemas, no huge concerts.
But do they have fun?
Yes, but it is simple fun. They have festivals, like a pumpkin festival or a pie contest.
A pie contest? Leo, I want to be the judge. I want to eat all the pies.
You would be a great judge. Everyone meets in the town square. They play music, eat food, and laugh. It is simple, honest fun.
Wow, Leo. Today we talked about so many things. I feel like I just took a vacation in a small town.
It was a nice trip, wasn't it? Let's recap quickly for our students. What did we learn?
We talked about the morning. It is quiet with birds, not cars. We sit on the porch. We talked about the commute. It is short, we don't rush. We talked about shopping. We go to local shops and talk to the owners. We learned about community. Neighbors help each other. We can borrow sugar. And finally, the evening. It is dark with fresh air and a cozy feeling.
Excellent summary, Anna. You have a great memory. So, friends, we have painted a picture of life in a small town. It is slow, friendly, and quiet.
But we know it is not for everyone. Some people love the energy of the big city.
That brings us to our question of the day.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Do you prefer to live in a big city or a small town? Why?
Do you like the excitement of the city, or do you want the peace of a small town? Please tell us in the comments below.
Write your answer in English. It is great practice. Tell us, do you know your neighbors? Do you have a Tom the Baker?
We love reading your stories. Thank you so much for listening to our conversation today.
And remember, if you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Have a peaceful day wherever you are. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.